If we kill all the Palestinians, because we're part of the enterprise, if we kill the Palestinians, what's the guarantee for Israelis that the same won't happen to them? Well, guess what it is? It's international law. And it's the world order, because if that starts to happen, you will see the strengthening of international law immediately. And you'll see accountability structures work instantly. And you'll see the world of the Security Council move to prevent that from happening. And so what that teaches me as an officer of the court is that actually I live in the belly of the beast. We are the problem. And we are allowing our states to behave in the way that they're behaving. And the danger, there's a danger in that. And the danger in that is not just the breakdown of the world order or the rule of international law, but look what's happening in the United Kingdom right now. A group of people who formed a group called Palestine Action decided to take direct action to enforce the law through protest. And I say enforce the law because what they did was they saw their government not complying with their international obligations. And so they took direct action against this state in order to prevent this state, the United Kingdom, committing criminal acts by supporting Israel's genocide in Gaza. And the British government has decided to move forward and proscribe that organization. And that's an indicator that this state, the law within this state, is starting to break down. Because what you'll see happening, as almost guaranteed, is that Palestine Action will not be prevented from carrying out direct protest once it's prescribed. I can almost guarantee that, not because I have any special knowledge, but because what will have happened is that people will see the repressive nature of this state and other people will start to behave in the way that Palestine Action behaves. And sometimes people like me might decide, actually, I might as well go 100 miles per hour on the motorway because the law doesn't really matter anymore. And that's the danger. The danger is that the law will not just break down in terms of international law, but also domestically. And that's how violence starts on the ground. We've seen it before. It's not the first time. You see individuals that see, and I'm not justifying or explaining or excusing. No, I am explaining. I'm not excusing political violence, but I'm explaining it. When a people feel that law isn't there to protect them, they turn to violence. Just turn to violence. And this is really important because this is the way the international community is working right now. It's not turning to diplomacy or law or the Security Council for resolution. It's turning to violence. It takes action against the Palestinian people to eradicate them. It takes action against Iran to push back an apparent preemptive threat, which was unlawful.